Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I hope my voice is clear to each one of you, like you all are able to hear my voice. Just put up in the chat box like whether you are able to hear the voice or not. Currently, I can see around 50. Currently, I can see around 55 attendees over here. So I hope you all are very much excited about learning Google platforms and how to build a website using Google platforms. So before before we can start, let us just kindly get together and introduce each of ourselves. Like I want to know from where you all are, like from which part of India or from which part of the world you all are over here, and why are you attending this session? Like what is your motive to learn Google platforms? So just put up in the chat box. Let's make this workshop a complete interactive workshop where you ask your questions and I'll be answering you and guiding you through the complete steps and through the complete platform. Before we start, just tell me a little bit about yourself, like from where you all are and what you all do. Okay, Meghali is from Pune, Maharashtra. That's good. Saurav Sinha from West Bengal. Jaipur, Nagpur. Okay, so we have attendees from around different sectors, different sections of this India. Is anyone from outside India over here? Deepika is from Andhra Pradesh, Harsha Tripati, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So, bef- have you all ever previously worked with Google platforms or built any website? Like, have you ever built a website without even using Google platforms, like simply using HTML, CSS, or any frameworks? I hope that everyone, few of you might have already built a website using those HTML and CSS. And many of you might be in the first year or the second year and will be eager to learn how to build a website. And few of you might be from the non-technical sector where you might be not aware about how to build, how to code or how to write programs. But you all must be eager to know how to build websites. So, before starting this complete workshop, let me introduce myself to you all. My name is Mohammad Arman, and I am the co-founder of this platform, TECHOX LLP. I am also the member of Google Assistant Developer Community, whereas I am also the speaker at Thai Global Summit. Recently, I got the award as the Emerging Entrepreneur for this year, and hopefully we will keep on working and we will keep on developing this platform and bringing to you all many more sessions and many more things. So now let us just dive into what are Google platforms. As I said, I'm also a member of Google Assistant Developer Community. So what we do over there, we build and we expand these Google platforms, and we use different tools like Google Assistants, Google Sites, and there are many more like bloggers and everything. So we keep on enhancing those things, building modules, building their services and the actions, and we deploy them. So what in this workshop we will be doing, we will be using a single tool, that is Google Sites, and I'll be also telling you about how to use Google Forms and all and make them use in the Google Sites. So by using Google Sites, we will be building the complete website. That will be like a static website, not that backend and the database part. For the database and everything, I'll be telling you how to use your Google Drive and Google Forms and other things. So we will be using Google Sites. We will be just working on those things without even writing a single line of code. So that's the most interesting part of this workshop. Like without writing even a single line of code, you can build a complete website and you can host it for free. Mark my words, you can host the website for free on the Google. And guys, as I said, make this workshop a complete interactive workshop. So make sure you all comment down your doubts and anything, your views, or any type of design that you want. Just be open up to commenting down all these things. Okay, so as I can see the comments, like you all are saying, like congratulations, sir. So, guys, this is not just an achievement for me, but I believe that this is the achievement for the whole TechOx community. The community that we are running, a community of around more than 1,000 students. So, this is the hard work and the dedication of every student and every community member. So, congratulations to you all. Like we at the TechOx platform are featuring in the emerging companies and everywhere. So, congratulations to you all. So let me just kindly share the screen with you all so that we can start. By the time, can you all just let me know how many of you have built a website earlier, like just using HTML, CSS, or any framework, or any one of you who have used any different Google platforms or any type of Google tools earlier? Just let me know in the chat box. Okay, Prem is asking like what are we going to study in day one of the workshop. So Prem, in this workshop in the day one, we will be just going through the complete Google Sites platform, like how we can do it and how we will be using those different tools that are coming, that are like we will be using different tools that are available in the Google Sites, and what are the different types of themes, and what are the different types of features that are available in the Google Sites, and why Google Site is beneficial for us, and what are the advantages of Google Sites. Like Prem, you are saying that I'm developing WordPress e-commerce site. So that is not a completely different thing. WordPress is also similar to like using Google Sites only, but the benefit that Google Sites give us is much more advantageous than the WordPress or the our normal HTML and CSS parts. So let us firstly say start with what are the benefits of Google platforms, like why we should be using Google platforms. Can anyone of you tell me why we should use Google platforms? Can anyone of you say like what can be the advantages of using Google platform? Okay, Mohit Verma from Amritsar is saying that he is using Flutter and Dart. Yeah, that's a quite interesting technology. I am also into the Flutter and Dart technology, and I am also working on it. And yes, that technology is quite interesting. Like you can build your mobile app, hybrid mobile app, iOS for the iOS and for the Android, as well as you can build the as well as you can build your web app. And yes, it is open source. See, this session, or I can say the day one workshop will not be much larger. Like we will be just having a maximum of around 1 hour, 1 hour per day. Day one will be of 1 hour, and day two will be of 1 hour. And in this workshop, we will be building a website from scratch and developing it and hosting it. Akshay is saying Google has mass audience. Prem is saying because it is secure and everything will be on store. Ruby is saying free hosting. I have created login page. So let me just brief you about like what are the benefits of using Google platforms. See, the first and the most important benefit is Google is the word Google itself, because everything on internet is based on Google. Like if you want to search for a recipe, you will search on Google, and if you are watching this video also, you are searching for the YouTube on Google, you are searching for anything on Google. So everything that you are operating works on Google. So the search trafficking, the traffic to your website increases. The first and the most important thing, the traffic to your website will increase. The second thing, the ranking of your website will increase. You don't have to work on SEO and other type of optimization. You can just work on it and your ranking will be increased. Like, since Google Sites is a product of Google, so whenever you will host a website and you will build a website using Google Sites, your website will be ranked earlier in the search, so your rank will be increased. Google as a company, its credibility is very strong, means you can be secure about your data and your sites. You need not to worry about anything. Another thing is, you get a free SSL certificate for your website. You get a free domain for your website. You get a free hosting for your website. So see, the three main important aspects of hosting and making a website live is reduced. You don't need a domain, you don't need a SSL certificate, you don't need a hosting server. All these three things will be free of cost to you all. So that is another major advantages. And another main importance is, like, suppose you want to start your journey as a blogger, or you want to write a content, you want to develop a content developing site where you can just go on keeping your contents, go on writing your blogs. So it will make it easier for you all to build it using your Google Sites. And the major important thing for which Google Sites are used is to increase the traffic to the main website. Like, suppose I have a complete full-fledged working website hosted on somewhere other platforms, but the ranking and the trafficking is very slow on that platform or on that website. So we can simply build a landing web page, or we can build a, we can say, linking page using Google Sites, and we can link it with our main website. So Google Sites will increase the traffic to our main websites also. So that's the major importance thing. Harsha is asking, like, our SEO will be increased if we use Google platforms. See, SEO means search engine optimization, and everything that we search on Google. And it is world known that if a particular product is of Google, then Google will try to list it earlier than the other products. So since if you build a website using Google Sites, so your website that is built using Google Sites will be no doubt ava- available on the search engine above the other products, because it is the product of Google itself and you are using the Google platforms. So let me just show you how you can go on building these things. Let me just know, like, whether you are able to see the screen clearly or not. The screen that I have shared. Are you able to see the screen clearly? Let me know in the chat box. Are you able to see the shared screen? Okay, so I can assume that you all are able to view the screen clearly. Or just let me do one thing. Let me just keep it to the full screen so that you can see the complete screen. So guys, many of you were commenting and many of you were messaging, like, sir, whether we will be getting a certificate for this session or not, or this workshop or not. Yes, every one of you who is attending this workshop will be getting a certificate, a valid certificate with a certification number. But for that, you need to mark your attendance and follow the steps that are mentioned in the description box. So once you have watched this complete session, you have watched this day one of the workshop, just move to the description part of the video and you can see how to mark the attendance. So make sure you mark your attendance using those methods. And once these 2 days workshop is completed, your certificate will be sent to you through your mail IDs. So before showing you this thing, let me just show you what we will be building over here. Just show you what we will be building over here. So in this complete workshop, we will be building a website and hosting it on our Google servers itself. So this is a sample, or I can say the a portfolio website that I built for myself few months ago, or I can say around a year ago. So this is just a simple portfolio, or I can say a portfolio website or a personal website that I have built for myself using Google Sites itself. So you can see that this is the complete website with all the links and all the descriptions, everything over here, with the navigation header and different pages. This is all the about section, and this is a suggestion page in which a Google form is added through which you can directly fill it and submit everything. So this is just a sample. This is just a sample website that I built earlier, and keeping this in mind, simply something like this we will be building here also. I'll be sharing this link with you all. Just let me share this link with you all so that you can view this site anytime you wish. Just share it with you all. I passed on the link in the in the chat, in the comment box, so that you all can also just view the website that we might be building over here. See, like, first of all, let us start, like, what are the importance of having a portfolio website? Can any one of you tell me, like, what will be the advantage of having your own name's website, a portfolio website? Just let me know what will be the advantage of having a portfolio website. See, this website that I have built is completely live and hosted on the Google itself. You can just simply click on the link and see the website. Guys, just tell me, like, what are the advantages of having a portfolio website? Like, why should we having a own portfolio website? Ruby Kumar is saying branding yourself. Yeah, that's correct. We can publish ourselves as a brand. We can write our blogs. We can showcase our work. We can showcase our content writing. We can showcase our projects. We can, like, do anything. Or we can say another major advantage of having your own personal website, or having your own personal portfolio website, that is, suppose you are going for a placement or you are looking for a job. There you pass your resume, there you send your resume, you build a resume over there. But suppose you are applying somewhere, and instead of passing your resume, you pass on your website link, so that showcase that you as yourself is capable of building a site and hosting it. That gives the interviewer, or we can say the company, an idea about your work. Like, yes, you are capable of building things and you have the knowledge of doing all these things, and it gives a professional look to your profile. So that's the major important thing. It not only build your personal branding, but it gives yourself a professional boost. Mohit is saying we can share everything about ourselves and let others suggest them to put there over a single platform. Yes, that's correct. We can just simply highlight everything about ourselves, our achievements, our everything, and put up on Google, and everyone can see, and everyone can view our work and suggest us more career opportunities. So this is the major advantage of having these things. Still, someone is asking, like, sir, how to mark attendance? See, to mark the attendance for the workshop, you need to just follow simple steps that are mentioned in the description of the video. Like, firstly, you need to like this video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media handles, take a screenshot or record a small 5 second or 10-second video or a photograph, and put that thing on the social media as a story or as a post, and share your experience, your views about this complete day one workshop, and tag us there. And attendance form is also given in the description. So after following these steps, just simply fill that attendance form and your attendance will be marked. So you need to only follow simple 3 to 4 steps and your attendance will be marked. So that was about how to mark your attendance. And someone is also asking me, like, sir, when we will get the certificate? Today is day one, tomorrow will be the day two of the session. And after the completion of this complete 2 days workshop, you will get your certificate within 48 hours. It will be delivered to you through your mail IDs. But only those we will be getting certificates who will be attending both the days and will be marking their attendance on time. So let me start with Google Sites now. So let us open Google Sites. So what you need to search, you just simply need to search Google Sites and search it on Google, and it will open yourself sites.google.com/new. So this is the home page of Google Sites. This is the homepage of Google Sites on which we will be working. So you can see that this is a simple homepage of Google Sites where there are little bit predefined templates like portfolio, event, help center, projects, and this is an option given over there, that is template gallery. So when you click on this template gallery, you will see a lot more templates and a lot more example. So this is the event template, this is the help center template, this is the project template, team template, restaurant, photo portfolio, Christmas party, dog walker. There are many predefined templates over here. So what you can do, either you can just edit on these templates, e- either you can just edit on these templates, or you can build something from the scratch. Since I want to make you aware about how to use completely from the scratch and use different tools that are available on Google Sites, I'll be just building something from the blank. So we will choose a blank template. So once you click on the blank option, it will open a working environment for you. It is opening a working environment for me where I can build a website. So see, it has opened a working environment and it will give us a tour of the platform. So let us go through the tour. So it is first thing, use the insert menu to add content to your site and move it accordingly. So this is the content section where we can select an ad. Then next is our this complete website, this section is about the complete site that we will be seeing. So we can just simply drag and drop and arrange everything. Here we can click this option and we can add collaborators like with whom we want to work. So we can add simply like, suppose you are working on a website project and there are more than one member or more than two members working on the same project. So you can add them over here and those people can simply collaborate and work together. Then there is publish option. I'll be telling you about this as we go on ahead. So this you can see the complete working environment, or you can see the complete working platform of the Google sites having different sections and everything. So let me just give an overview about the complete tools that are available over here. So the center part that you can see where it is written your page title, this is the part of the website that is visible to you or everyone. So before starting everything, let us give a name to our website, or we can say a site portfolio. So let us just simply give a portfolio. Simply give the name portfolio and press enter, and yes, it will be saved. So this complete file will be saved as a file name portfolio, or you can just simply write portfolio Google Sites Workshop by TECHOX. I have written the spelling of workshop wrong. So you just rename the file. So this is the file name that will be saved. It is not your website name. This is simply the file name. So here, this is the header part. This is the header part of your site. So before moving to the complete site part, let me just remind you few certain things that you need to know. See, the Google sites completely work on your Google Drive. It completely work on your Google Drive. Everything will be saved on the Google Drive. And whatever things that you put up on the website, or whatever thing that you are adding on the website, either you can add through the Google Drive, or you can add through the internet by using the URL, or you can simply upload the content. So, but when you are using Google Drive, you need to make sure that your permission is given to view all. If you haven't given the permission to view all, these things will not be visible to anyone. So let us just move around. So on the right hand side of your working space, you can see that there is a like different type of options given over here. Like first there is insert, and then we have a text box. So by using this insert elements, you can insert either a text box, you can insert either an image, or this embedded option is to write code. Embedded option is to write code. Suppose if you want to make it more personalized according to you, and you write to certain line of HTML or JavaScript code or CSS code, you can use this embedded option and you can write your code on your own, and you can embed that code in this site. And this Google Drive, you can insert the complete Google Drive folder and particular image or anything. Luis is saying watching from Zambia, Africa. Welcome, Luis. We hope that you will be having great fun in this 2 days workshop and will be learning new things over here. And guys, keep commenting down your views and keep commenting down your ideas. That will be a much more will make the workshop much more interactive. So let us just move to another option, that is layouts. So simply in the layouts part, these are the predefined layouts given in the tools, in the Google Sites tools. We can just simply go and click this, and this layout will be added. If we will click this layout will be added. So you can just simply use this layout to build your content by just simply clicking on the layout option, and those will be getting added on your site, as you can see over here. Everything gets added, and you can just simply use those layout and build your things. Now, coming to the next, that is collapsible text. So, why these collapsible texts are used? Like, you must be aware about a fact, like in any website you visit, there are frequently asked questions section over there. Like, there is a particular section predefined for the frequently asked questions. So what you can do, you can use this collapsible text. And what this collapsible text will do, this will just simply add your things as a collapsible. When you click on, the text will be visible, and when you again click this again, it will get hidden. So why are we here? Like, suppose, why are we here? Then why we are here? We are here for the 2 days workshop on Google Sites. You can see that this gets hidden. When you click on this arrow, it gets visible. So using this, you can just simply build a collapsible text, and everything gets under like a section that you usually see in other website, that is frequently built or frequently asked questions site. So you can just using the collapsible text, you can build these things. Then the table of content. Table of content is just used like in row, like the content that you want to display. Like, you just give the options over there, and when you click a particular option, it will redirect you to the different section. Then the image carousel, like you can see in the header of the any website, there are various images. So by using the image carousel, you can add those images. Then the button, the divider, placeholder, you can just embed your YouTube video over here by just clicking on the YouTube section and just searching for the video. Like, suppose I want to search TECHOX, and I want to add a particular video of TECHOX. So like, I want to add this session, step towards getting success. So by just clicking on that, this video gets added over here. And we can just simply and drag and rearrange it, and this will be visible on our site. So by just simply doing that thing, you can just have a simple iframe type property, and you can just put up your YouTube video or any type of video over here. Simply you can put up Google Maps, Google Docs, slides, and everything. So this is about the insert section. I'm just giving you the overview. We will be building these things again. We will be building these things again by scratch, but I'm just letting you know like how to use it, and then we'll be starting it. So now suppose this is only a one page. This is just simply a one page, and you want to add more than one page. You want to add multiple pages on your site. So how you will be adding those things? So just simply click on this pages option that is given on your right hand side. Just simply click on that page, and you will get a plus sign over here. So just simply click plus, and you can add a new page, like new page with the name about us, new page like the name about us. And with this advanced option, you can just even give a custom path, or you can just have it in a normal way. So you added a about us section. So now you can see on your website at the header section, it gets added like about us. When you click on this about us, it will redirect you to the new page, that is this about us. When you will click to the home, it will redirect you to the home page. You can even add a page by just simply adding the new link. Like, suppose I want to redirect you, like I want to redirect you to the another website. Like, I want to redirect you to the TECHOX website, techox.co.in, and I want to name it like as TECHOX. And instead of opening it in the new tab, let me open it in the same tab. Then done. So now you can see that in after home, TECHOX option is given over there. So when you click on this TECHOX, it will open a TECHOX. It will open the TECHOX website. So let's click and see the page you were trying to send, www.techox. If you don't want to visit, okay, so it is giving us a notice that it is redirecting us to a new page. You can just simply go on, and you can see the page is visible. It opens the TECHOX website. Since currently it is telling us the option like why it is redirecting, because currently we are in the debugging mode. We haven't published or we haven't hosted our website, so it is asking us. But once we get published, it won't ask this thing to us. Let me just show you. Wait a second. So you can see it has hosted us to the new website. Let me just show you once again. Like, you won't be able to see the screen because the screen sharing got stopped. So let me just click on this TECHOX once again. Let me just click on this TECHOX website, TECHOX once again, and it will just redirect us to the new page. And you can see it has redirected us to our main website page. You can see now the page is open and the website is now opening. So by using this, we can just simply have it over here. Earlier it wasn't being visible to you all because I had the screen sharing option disabled for this. So I have enabled it again and you can now clearly see it. So you can see that you can even add another website over here. Many of you are asking like how to add a payment option once we publish our website. Can we edit again? Yes, yes, Monali. Even you publish your website or host your website, you can edit that again. And how can we create a drop menu of pages? I'm going to tell you each and everything like how to add payment methods and drop down menus. So like suppose this is our about us and we want to rearrange this page. Like first we want home, then about us. So just simply click on this and move it to above TECHOX, and you can simply see it gets displayed. And now suppose you want to add a drop down menu pages like a sub page. So you can simply click, or like just let me have over here like what we want to add over here. We want to add services, services page, services, then it is done. And now we want to just bring it down around here. Let us bring it over here and then just simply click on it and add the option add a sub page. In the sub page just simply write whatever service you want, like blogging, and it gets added below. Then another, again write a sub page, web development, and this is done. And now you can see that the arrow is visible in the services section. So when you click, you will get a different options below. So let us move back to our home page. See, when you click, you will get a different option. A drop down menu will appear. So by just simply adding a sub page, you can add that drop down menu in your header part. So till now it is quite simple how just simply just use the options and do it these things. And now let us go to our themes section. So using the theme sections, we can define new themes, new colors, and we can even select font style for us. So currently it is in the simple theme. Let us move to the impression. Select this theme or so we have selected this impression theme, and over here we can just simply choose any color. Like if you want yellow, we want green, or another shade. Even you can choose your own color by clicking on this bucket option, and once you click on this bucket option, a color a color section will appear, a color picker section, where you can even just put up your hex code and you will get your color of your wish. Like suppose I'm going with this color. So it is done. And choosing the font style, just click on the font style and you will get few fonts over here. So by just simply selecting the font, our font will work. See, capital, narrow, any type of font you can use. We'll be using capital over here. Or just simply let us go for the frank thing. So by using the theme, you can choose any of these things and you can use all these things. Now, Saurav is asking how to embed ads. See, sort of, just to use the ads, you can simply create your account on the AdSense. That is a complete different part. And since Google Sites firstly came with the monetization part, but due to some issues, currently Google Sites has disabled the monetization. So you can't monetize it by using ads. But what you can do instead of embedding ads in this site, you can link it to the another site, your another page, and through that you can simply embed ads. Ruby Kumari, how to accept payments. I'll be letting you know like how to accept payments. You need to create a gateway. You can simply use any type of payment gateway and link and give a button over here, and through that button you can link to that payment gateway. I'll be just showing you everything like how to add buttons and how to link those button and everything. So till now just let me know like whether this insert section, pages section and the theme section is clear to each one of you or not. Just let me know that thing firstly, like it whether it is clear to each one of you or not, the insert, the pages and the theme section. So now another thing that I want to tell you, like suppose you did something and you want to roll back, you don't want to make that thing and you want to undo that thing, so you can just simply click over here and it will undo the last section or the last action performed. So here, from here you can undo and from here you can redo. The another advantage of using Google Sites is that you can have a view. What is the Lemo is asking me like what is the limitation in terms of number of pages, like page numbers. There is no limitation in using the number of pages. You can make as many pages as you want. So just go on building things. So another important thing of Google Sites is that you can on the go preview your site. So just simply click on this option and you will get the preview section. So here in this way you can preview your website. See, you can preview it over here, your page title and everything. This will be your how your website will look like. In the preview you can see how your website will look like. So this is your website will look like in the laptop or the desktop. In the tablet it will look like this. In the mobile phone it will look like this. So see, in the in your mobile phone it will simply look like this. So using this thing you can just simply your even you can preview your website how it is looking. And another thing is like, as I said, if you want to add any collaborator over here, you can add it over here also. So by just clicking on that thing and just writing the email ID of that person whom you want to add to this website to work along with you, you can just simply put the email ID. Like suppose I want to put the email ID of help.techox@gmail.com, and that person, welcome buddy, I want you to work with me. Work with me on this website. And a notification will go to that person, and that person can use this portfolio website or this website with you and can edit and do anything you want. You can just change the permissions also. By just clicking on this setting, you can have a different setting option over here. Like the navigation, the header part, you can change your header. Like if you don't want it to be having on the top, you can just choose the side option, and now you can see this header has been moved to the side. But so you can just simply have it either on the top or either on the side. You can either have the header part as transparent or of the white color. You can see the color has changed and it becomes white, or simply the black. Or so you can just change your header style. Also you can add your brand image, like suppose you want to add a particular image over here or a logo over here. So how you can add those logos? So just simply click on upload. So when you click on upload, you can upload any type of images from your laptop, from your system. You can upload images. So I'll just upload this TECHOX logo over here. You can give the alt text, that is TECHOX. You can even use the Fabican. You can upload the Fabican also. So let us upload the Fabican. I'll just simply select that image only, and yes, it got uploaded. So now let us just simply go over here, and like suppose over here I don't want to upload, I want to select. So you can just simply click on this select, and by using the Google Drive you can upload the image from the Google Drive, or you can upload the image using the URL. Copy the URL of the image, paste it over here, and that image will be added. You can select any image from your Google Drive also. You can just simply go on and select like recent or from my drive, and you can select any type of images from there. Or you can use Google Images. Simply search the image and get it done. Search for the image and add it over here. Or you can use my photos, Google Photos, and from Google Photos you can put up those things over here. So currently over here I'll be uploading the logo, and it will be just visible over here. So the Fabican icon is the icon that is shown over here in the top of the your taskbar of of your search engine. It will be shown over here. The logo will be shown. As you can see in the header part, it is visible. So when you just simply close this, it will get visible everywhere. So another setting things are like viewer tools. Like suppose you don't want your viewers to see like when your page got last updated. So you will just simply uncheck it. You don't want to show the anchor links, just uncheck it. Custom URLs, you can just add your own domain. If you have purchased the domain, you can add it over here. Analytics, the most important thing. Your site comes with a predefined analytics tool. So you can just simply enable it, and a Google Analytics tracking. You can track your website performance by using Google Analytics. So you by just enabling it, you can use it. Announcement banner. You can have any type of announcement banner of your website. Alert. We are in a workshop. This is the message. If you want to add a button, just click on the button view, and in this view you can just put up the link, any link that you want. Like suppose I am putting up a link over here of the of our YouTube channel, youtube.com/she/techox learning, and yes, it is done. Now you can simply just uncheck it, or I just want to see this on the home page only. Whether you want to see it on the home page or all the page, you can select it over here. And now you can see a banner is displayed, an advertisement banner is displayed on the top, where you can see alert, we are in a workshop. And when you click view, let us see what happens. When you click on this view button, it redirects us to the TECHOX Learning YouTube page. So yes, we are redirected over here. So in this way, you can create a button or any type of banner and redirect to the payment gateway or redirect to anywhere. So this was about the different tools and the different aspects of using these things. So this is how you just go on, and this was a complete what I can say, complete overview about Google site tools. What are the different types of tools available in Google sites and how we will be using them. So today was the complete tour to the complete platform, like what are the different tools and how we'll be using them. Tomorrow, what we'll be doing? We will be building a website. We will be building a portfolio website by using all these tools, and we will be just putting up images, putting up contents and everything over here, and making a website live. So by the time I'll do one thing, I'll host this website. So how to host this website? You just simply need to click on publish, and when you click on publish, you will be asked over here to give your this what I can say, the website name, the website address that you want to give it. Let us just give it the workshop on, like, building. Let me just give it the name like workshop by TECHOX. Workshop by TECHOX. So now you can see that you got your personal link, https sites.google.com view workshop by TECHOX. So in this way it gets you the this thing. And like in the search setting, if you just click on this button, request public search engine not to display. So when you click on this, your website, your this portfolio will not be visible on the Google search, but when you haven't clicked on this, it will be visible. So just let us publish it. I'll be clicking over here and publishing it. So now you can just simply go on search, and you will be able to see this work and see this site hosted on the Google. I'll be sharing the link in the I'll be sharing the link in your comments so that you can also later on go and check it out what we have built today. Let me just share it the link first with you all. So I have shared the link, so you can click on that link and you can view the site that we have built. So this is how easily you can host it on the Google platform. So this was the complete tour and the complete overview of the Google site platform. Tomorrow we will be building a portfolio website through which we will be showing different things over here and making it available on the Google platform. So tomorrow, what we'll be doing first and the foremost thing, we'll be building a personal portfolio website which will contain images, text, buttons, and I'll be also explaining you how to add your payment gateways, how to add your ads, on how to link or how to add different websites where you want to generate traffic. So that the complete thing, the development part, will be doing tomorrow. Today it was about the complete introduction and what are the different sections. And another one major thing that I want to let all of you know, that once this 2-day workshop will be completed, you all need to submit the website link of yours that you will be building. You all need to submit that project. And the best project, the best site that will be built using Google site platforms, we will be featuring them on our social media handles and everywhere. Um, can you add search bar for my pages or my blogs I publish? Yes, you can add the search bar option. Like, just simply click on this preview section, and here you can see the search option over here. So you can simply click on search, and you can search any type of content that is on your website. So through the search option, By default, Google Sites provided. Ruby is asking, I can't search your website directly on Google. I guess it doesn't show up. Why? See, why my site is not, when you just simply search Arman, and why it is not showing over there, because since then this name is quite common, and I haven't just developed it more professionally, so it is not being displayed over there. But you can just simply click on the link that I have provided and you can view that website. And there is a simple algorithm that works on Google. The more the traffic you generate, the more your page ranking will be higher. So since, as I said, I built that website just as a sample, so the traffic on that website is negligible. So once the traffic gets negligible, the Google itself reduces the ranking. So once the traffic will become higher, it will again come to the top. So you can directly search and you will be able to see it. And if you want to search about me, just simply Google MD Aman 187 and you can find all my social handle links, my GitHub links, and everything. Because I use the tag word MD Aman 187. So when you want to search about me, you can search through that thing only. So this was about the complete tools and the complete examples. Tomorrow we will be building things and we will be making the website from the scratch. This was the overview, like how you will be doing thing. Tomorrow we'll be adding images and contents to all these things and making a complete full-fledged website. Komal is asking when we have to submit the attendance. Guys, for the day one attendance, that is for today's attendance, you can submit the attendance before tomorrow's session. Like tomorrow's session or tomorrow, day two of the workshop will begin at 3 p.m. tomorrow. So you can submit your attendance by 2 p.m. or just submit the attendance as soon as possible. You don't have to do much more things. You just simply need to subscribe, follow us, and put up a story or a post on social media and tag us there and fill the form. So it is just a 5-minute task you can do simply. So submit the attendance within 24 hours so that we can also evaluate. And yes, we will be evaluating your projects. I'll be guiding you tomorrow from the complete scratch, like how you will be doing all these things. And you will be building a website with me, and you will be uploading your website, and you will be sharing your website links in our Telegram community. So make sure you join our Telegram community so that you can showcase your work and you can showcase your talent over there. And the best project that will be built, we will be featuring it on our platform, and few of the lucky subscribers and the attendees from this session will also be getting TECHOX t-shirts. From the previous session, the lucky subscribers who got the t-shirts, just to announce their names are Neeraj, Ragini, Rajat, Manisha, Somanshu, Vinita. These are the lucky subscribers and the lucky community members and the attendees who have got the TechOx t-shirt. So congratulations to you all. And the viewers, those who are watching today, you all can be the also next lucky winners to get these giveaways. So just simply follow us, subscribe to our channel, share it as much as you can, and we will be selecting you and we'll be giving you the TechOx t-shirts as a gift. You can join a Telegram community and there you can showcase your work and your talent. And on a Telegram community, we also provide one-to-one mentorship and various other courses and guidance and mentoring to every student. So you can come over there and you can participate in various events and quizzes over there. So guys, this was all about day one of the workshop. Tomorrow we will be coming live again at 3 p.m. So make sure you set the reminder for day two. The reminder link is also given in the description. Go there and set the reminder. like this video, share it with all your friends and colleagues. Also ask them to watch the video. This video will be recorded and published on YouTube, so they can watch it again. But the certificates will be only given to the attendees who will be watching this in this weekend only, that is today and tomorrow. So share it with your friend, ask them to watch this complete video, fill the attendance form, and they can also learn this Google platform tools, and they can also build their own website as well as get the certification, and can be eligible for TECHOX gifts and t-shirts. All the required links, attendance links, and everything is given in the description. So guys, this was all about day 1. So see you tomorrow. By the time, enjoy your day and keep on building the things. I have also provided the link of the website that we will be building today. You can just simply search that thing. I'll be also putting up that thing in. I'll be also putting up the all these links and every details in our Telegram community. So make sure you join our Telegram community to get all these updates and all these links over there. So guys, see you tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, share the channel, ask a friend to subscribe, because here we will be regularly coming up with various sessions and various workshops on different tools. So thank you very much guys. See you all tomorrow at the same time. Set your reminders.